let's jump into the point number one: influence without authority. Oh man, oh man. You know what, family? I said I wasn't going to do this. I said I was going to push through and get through these 8 points without, but I can't. I'm sorry. So forgive me in advance. I ask for your apologies, but there's so many people got those backwards. What do you mean? People think authority is influence. No, 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 no. Being able to influence really does, without authority, really allows you to be successful. As a project manager, you don't have authority. I don't care what they tell you. I don't care how they mislead you. Technically, if you do not have direct reports, you do not have authority. So you have to have that influence. That's why I wrote the book, The Magnetic Project Manager, because I understood project management is really about influence, or what I learned from Russell Brunson, which is that attractive character, being that attractive character. And that doesn't mean about looks, is meaning that how do you persuade or how do you convince people that work on your team to do something where they could easily say, nope, I don't want to do it.